guys, welcome back to my channel. I am filming today with a one brand brow tutorial. I am excited to say that I picked up some new Hourglass stuff to add to my collection, and I have this is the Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in the shade Warm Brown, and it is a smaller wand and definitely fills in the brows and made the color of them change just a little bit. Really nice color too, and I like it a lot. I did have this for a while, and this is the Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil in Soft Brunette, and this is the one that has the more product to it. This one has the larger size tip, really good for filling in the brows and also can use by itself. The Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and this is in the shade Warm Brown, and this is a very tiny fine little pencil. This is really nice, and it definitely works really well, really good with the air strokes in the front. What I had in my collection from Hourglass is the concealer, which I've had for a while, and this is the hidden concealer in the shade Fair, and I use this to carve out my brows and to make them a little bit more lifted. And I did show a one brow done and a no brow. I hope you guys like this kind of look. If you guys want to see how I did this and follow along in the journey, and let me know if you like this. If you want to see more brow stuff like between a brow pomade or like different brands, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and let me know. Share this to people that don't know how to do brows or that they want to try a new technique. If this eye look is up, I will list it up top. I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's get started with the brows. See you guys later. Bye, and let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed this full makeup just for the eyes, and they are the new release for Natasha Denona, the Mini Gold and the Glow Duo. So I wanted to leave my eyebrows off because I wanted to do a updated, more eyebrow tutorial, and I wanted to use just a one brand for that. So I did pick up a couple of the new Hourglass brow stuff, the Arch, and this is the Arch Warm Blonde shade, and this is the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So I wanted to give this a try, and the packaging is very nice. And I also picked up two of the brow arches. So they're two different sizes, the larger size and the smaller size. The larger size has that newer kind of triangle shape so you can fill in more, and it also comes with the spoolie on the opposite end. And this is the Brow Sculpting Pencil Arch Crayon in Soft Brunette. So we're going to give that a try today, which I have used on my channel. But then also I did pick up the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and this is Warm Blonde, and this has the more sharper tip to it so you can get your more precise little strokes of hair, so you can see how small it is. And if you pick up an Anastasia, and the size comparison from the original Anastasia to this one is definitely the Anastasia is the bigger, and then this is the smaller size. And if you go to the Benefit, the Precisely My Brow, and the size comparison again, a little bit closer, but still the Benefit Precisely My Brow is larger. So I'm excited to give this a try. I have not tried this one yet. So what I'm going to do first is take the spoolie end of the pencil, and I'm going to brush up my brow hairs on both sides. And I just trimmed up my brows as well because they were kind of getting a little out of hand. And you can see that I do have some sparse areas. So we're going to work on filling those in. So let's do that. So I'm going to start with the bottom of the brow, and I'm going to hold my pencil up and down, and I'm going to fill in the bottom line, just lightly dragging it on the brow, almost to the front, like that, and it gives a little bit of fullness. And I'm gonna turn it, and then let's do the tail. I'm gonna make my tail a little bit longer, like that. And then we're gonna do the top. Making sure that I have a good line to start out with. And I'm going to flip the brow pencil on the side and make some hair-like strokes in the front to fill this in a little bit. Just lightly dragging it up. And then I'm going to go in with the bigger pencil, spoolie it just a little bit. And we are going to fill in the brow. So I kind of just go back and forth and maybe sometimes drag it on my skin and go back and forth and wiggle it a little bit. And then I will go back in and go in one direction. And my brows never look the same 2 days in a row. So every day is a little bit different. Sometimes I'll make my arch more defined or make it just a little bit less. Going into the front as well and dragging up on the product with my brows just to fill it in a little bit too. And this has like a wax to it as well, so it kind of holds everything in place. And then I'm going to flip it over and spoolie it out a little bit to disperse the product, if there's any extras as well. So you can see the difference between this eye and this eyebrow, and you can see the difference. What I'm going to do next is go in with the gel, and this is what the gel looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and spoolie this into my hairs, and this will give some extra color and dimension to my brow hairs as well. I'll make sure that the front ones are spoolied up. So the difference between a done brow and an undone brow, definitely like the difference. It makes my face feel more done. And a lot of times I'll just do mascara, brows, maybe some lip gloss, and maybe some highlight, and I'll walk out the door. Definitely is a big difference. So if you go like this is my face with no brow and my face with a brow. Definitely gives it a good lift and makes my face look very complete. So I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite eye real quick, and then we're going to cut out my brow and just clean them up a little bit. So let's watch me do the other side from start to finish. All right guys, so I have the 2 brow pencils on and also the fiber gel on both of my brows, and you can definitely see they look a lot better. This eyebrow is actually my favorite of the 2 eyebrows because it is easy to work with, and I don't understand why. This one is a pain in my butt. But dang, these look really nice today. I am very happy in how they look, but I want to clean them up just a little bit because I like how it looks when they have some concealer or something around. I'm gonna use the Hourglass concealer in the shade Fair, and this is what this looks like. Really nice color too. I like to use this a lot on the face for days that I don't have a lot of makeup on. And I always use a brush for this, and it's practically the same brush for a very long time. And this is a mini Sigma shader brush. Yeah, an E56 brush. I like it because it has that little bit of the curved edge, and it is a very thin brush. So I like to pick up product on the brush, and let's go ahead and carve out this brow on the bottom, just to clean it up a little bit and sharpen it up. I don't need to go heavy with this at all on the top or the bottom of my brows because they are looking really good today, so I am happy. And I'm going to clean up the top a little bit too, so I'm going to start about 3/4 of the way forward and bring it back and down. And there's a little bit left on my brush. I'm just going to go forward a little bit just to clean that up. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm just going to lightly massage the edges a little bit just so it's not so noticeable. Just like that. Oh, that is really good. So this is what the 2 brows look like. The one that is cleaned up from the top and the bottom, and the one that is not cleaned up. They look really good. Picking up a little bit more product on that same brush and clean the bottom side first. And it makes your eyebrows look lifted too, which is the nice thing about it. It's never a video without somebody mowing their lawn, and Brody's not home, so he's not mowing the lawn. For anybody that knows my videos, there's always somebody mowing their lawn. It doesn't matter if it's a Saturday or Sunday or during the week, it's always somebody. Lightly in the front with a little bit less product. And I got some concealer in my brow hair very lightly, so I can go ahead and take a spoolie side of any brow pencil that I have and just spoolie that out, clean her up. And it looks like it didn't even happen. Easy peasy. Let's go back in with that brush that I used for the other eye, and let's clean up that concealer line. Wiggle it a little bit so it meshes with the rest of the foundation. You can also use foundation for this as well, but I choose to use concealer. All right guys, well, this is the look using one brand for brows today with concealer, 2 pencils, and a fiber brow gel. So these are the 4 things, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, from Hourglass that I just either picked up or I've had for a while. Between the concealer I've had for a long time, the brow filler pencil that I have, the larger 2, I've actually had for a little while but only used it a couple of times. Just got these 2 at Sephora with one of the last purchases that I got, and I do like them. Looks really good. Makes my eyebrows look lifted really well too. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, and also share. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!